son.
So daw?
Give me a son.
Give me a son sa'yo na. Give me a son na. Good afternoon, people. Happy Saturday. It is now 3 o'clock ng hapon. And come here, Daddy. This way. Yeah.
Sorry.
Ngayon lang kami lalabas.
Mommy and Daddy are being mischievous
Shut up.
this morning, aren't we?
So, today is our, every 28 kasi ng buwan, guys, ay parang sineselebrate. Hindi naman na sobrang malaking celebration, no? But, parang special day namin ni Daddy Mike kasi nung sinagot ko siya, when I said yes to him to be his girlfriend, it was June 28. So, parang mansari-mansari, ganun ba? Kasi ganyan naman sa atin, di ba? Meron nga silang daysari, di ba?
Still going strong.
So, 7 years and...
4 months. I'm still the girl of my dreams.
Yeah. Daddy was saying this morning. Mama, Daddy, still?
I'm still the only girl that makes me what? Heartbeat. What else?
What else? Oh, careful, careful, Baba.
It's okay.
Tignan niyo ang ating mga... Ay, hi! Nakadress na naman. Hi! Show me your dress.
Lini, show it,
Show me your dress, babe. Turn around.
Beautiful.
Give us a twirl. Wow.
You want?
Wow. Ay,
Lini.
hindi pwedeng makaalis na hindi nakadress. Just Lord.
She went like this.
Ang ate. Ang pungag na ate.
I'm a little better at doing ballet. I'm a little better.
Adi, like that. Work. Now make your bum wiggle.
Come on, let's go. Punta kami ng... hang on now. Punta kami ng... Bunnings, guys. Kasi, ang bahay namin ay parang binagyuhan. Sabi pa Daddy Mike, maglilinis kami ng bahay. And, kailangan namin ng mga cleaning stuff. Bilhin namin sa Bunnings. So, kailangan namin ng glass cleaner para sa mga mirrors. Kailangan namin ng... gusto mong bumili ng oil para sa mga wood na mga furniture. So, para siya, makintab siyang tingnan. And, gusto kong bumili ng ang tawag doon, guys, packaging tape para sa ating balikbayan box na kailangan na talaga umalis, but hindi ko talaga manuhan ng oras, guys. Anyways, ito ang ating outfit of the day. Ayan. Slides. And then, kalmahan lang natin. And also, guys, nakaligo ako kung hindi nyo may tatanong. Ayan. Kaya ang ating buhok ay fresh na fresh. Hindi siya oily. Ayan. Kasi, we are in the point na si Ate Paris at si Baby Celine, they play with each other na. So, may time akong makaligo. So, ayun, naglaro sila kanina dalawa. Naligo si mami niyo. So, I feel fresh. Alright, let's go. Mommy?
Mommy.
Yes, Mommy? Nandito kami sa harapan ng bakery. Good ka?
Just go very hard and push it forward and then it's out.
See, kung meron silang yung noodles na gusto ko, guys. Yeah. good, thanks. Oh, this one. This one I'm talking about. Oopsie! Akala ko. Can you put that back, please, anak? Just there, yeah. Thank you.
This is on Mommy.
What?
That one at the back with the...
Which one? With the teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, please.
Any one with the teeth.
Not anything. It's for the little one.
Anything, and I want one of them with,
Oh, yeah. You're only getting 2 buwang. Anything else? That's all, thank you. Oh, do you want some? Actually, I'll get like the sausage roll. Do you have no beef one? Yes. Okay, yeah, I'll grab one.
I want to eat my treat first, and then...
No, me parece.
Please, 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 please.
Okay, just promise me you're gonna eat it. That's all, thank you. Since nandito na kami sa bakery, pasok na rin kami dito sa... See, ito yung pinuntahan namin na ano, nag-open sila last Thursday, di ba? Nak, have a look at the shop lang. They're open now. Oh, see, oh, wow. They have another one. Remember yung nabili ko na white? Oh my god. I love this color.
Wow.
It's nice. I'll try this on lang. What do you think it is? Huh? Let's see. Malaki sila dito, guys. Oh my god. I'm super happy na nandito na sila malapit sa bayan. Maganda to. Oh, maliit lang. Hala, ang liliit naman ng mga jeans na to. Uy, maganda pa naman yung style. Let me try this first lang. See, they've got this section as well. Apakalaki. Then I got more clothing here. Mga bags to on, shoes. Sobrang ganda. And, yung bet ko dito guys is, yung pinakagusto ko dito is meron silang mga damit na pang kids. Yung ibang op shop kasi wala silang mga damit pang kids ba. So dito meron, which is so good. Sobrang liit man. Nandito kami last time, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Cute naman ito. Kasya pa kaya ito kay Lene? Now, anak, we're gonna go. We just, wanna have a look quickly. Yeah, you can have a look there. Yes, baby girl.
Do you remember this game? What am I? The one when you put the cut on your...
Ah, yeah. And also this one. We had this before, remember? Line up 4.
How do you play that?
Trap. Trap. Wow, well done, honey.
What is that?
Creative corner. Just for your one.
Just string?
Come on, let's go.
I really want that.
A few moments later.
So, nasa Bunnings na kami. And, ang ating Ate Paris ay nakatulog. Tingnan niyo. Tapos, dito sa Bunnings, guys, meron silang sausage outside. So, Daddy Mike, tsaka si Baby Celine ay lumabas na para bumili. What are you having, madam?
Sausage.
Sausage? Yummy? Oh my goodness. Such a lucky girl you are. Do you like it? I've never seen Paris. I've never seen Paris like that before.
Mom,
Yes? Come here, stay here. Because Ate is still sleeping. Show me what you're eating, babe. Ah, sorry. You don't want to wake Ate up, yeah?
Should I just go to Rebel Store quickly? Should I go to Rebel
Love you.
Whilst Paris is sleeping?
You bring Celine.
I'm going to be quick then. I can be quick. I can run, Bub. The thing is I can run there and do it.
Go.
Yeah?
Come on.
No, come on. It's alright. Daddy will come back, honey. Daddy will come back. Come here. Come here. No, sad na siya karon. Daddy will come back shortly. He's just gonna go check out Rebels. Yeah? Yeah. We'll go inside Bunnings when Ate Paris wakes up. Alam niyo ba guys, meron to siyang dress sa loob. Hmm? Tapos pinatungan niya ng kanyang fairy. Huh? Come on, let's not leave Ate. Come here, big kiss Ate. Kailangan namin gisingin ng ating Ate Paris. Okay. Nagnap sa sasakyan. Hinintay namin. Jesus, maramag. Wala kita ilang papa for a long time. Who is that?
Daddy.
Is that your daddy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Why British same?
Are you sure that's your daddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, I just think
What is it?
that I was wearing. and 22.
Did you see anything, Rebels?
That's my mate.
Huh?
That's my mate. You want to go meet him?
Yeah. Ate, can you hold this tea, please? Papasok kami ngayon ng Rebel. Okay. Nandyan daw yung kaibigan ni Daddy Michael. Papakilala daw niya yung family niya. Oh. Siya na, oh. Buti na lang matagal mag-close yung Bunnings. Gabi pa yata mag-close. Who's this friend, Daddy?
Told you. Just don't look like we're creepy.
Nini, you want to push the small one? There.
Which one are we getting, this one?
Yeah. Yay, Linis! Come. Good girl. Huh? Okay, take care. Okay. Look what you're doing, honey girl. That way?
I love driving. Daddy, how's that?
Let's go.
Lenny has to go first.
I don't think they're sliding. What the? Ay, sus. Have a look at Lily's hair.
What's the head?
The hair bob.
Let's try.
Did you like it?
I wanna go in that one. Oh, yeah. Maybe can't go.
Why?
Yeah, it's too high. It's very fast actually, this one.
Can I go?
No. How about
She's
you?
not gonna come with me.
No, what's she got to do? Go by herself?
Okay.
Good girl, ate. This is very fast, this one.
I'm sure.
Very steep. Kaya yun, naglalaro ko sa dalawa guys, so. Careful, please. Mommy, Daddy.
Give me a son.
Sudah?
Give me a son.
Tagbibnesan sa'yo na. May tagbibnesan na.
Sana.
Sherdong. Sherdong.
What's that mean? What does that mean? Huh? What does that mean?
That's awesome. You sure? That's why last time, Bob, she got really upset because I went down with her and she wants to do it by herself.
I really want to go down.
She's very
Huh?
independent.
I'm sorry, honey. I can't let Lily go by herself. Maybe if Lily goes down, you can quickly run and go to this one.
Christmas na, guys. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Come on. Dito na ang laman ng trolley ni Baby Celine. We've got our packaging tapes. Rini! Ambot na yung mga bata. Celine! Nabiyaan na tang daddy na ka mo na.
What is this?
Gingerbread man. We've got our cleaning stuff. Si Daddy Mike nandun na sa ano. Celine!
It's actually so cute. I'm bringing him.
Nabilin ka mo daddy ay. What would you like, Lynn?
Pink.
Now, what do you wanna eat?
It's Donut.
Eat what?
Oh, Donut.
Duntan? What's a duntan?
That one.
There's no pink.
That one. She means she wants the pink
Kakauwi lang namin.
sprinkles.
Hindi mo nila
Mama,
palagpasin
just
kagad
get
mo ng
that one or
duntan.
that one?
Ala ka lang. Ala
I'm not getting any until you guys eat something healthy. Harris, you haven't eaten anything today. What are you talking about? You think you're going to eat donuts? Good luck.
Mommy.
Yes?
I want donut.
Duntan?
That one.
Can you say donuts?
Donuts.
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 Yay! Well done, Baba. Drink water first.
No. No. No.
Okay.
No. No.
Buy myself
Eat na.
No, no, no.
Pasta everywhere.
No.
No. Pasta. We can share.